How to fix Facebook 6-digit verification code not receiving on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between networks. Next, go ahead and delete the Facebook application from your device completely and then reinstall the Facebook application again and see if that fixes your issue. Reinstalling fixes majority of glitches on your app. Next, go ahead and connect to a VPN and then connect yourself to some other country other than your current region and then request for the code. And if you are still not receiving the code, make sure you are connected to a proper working carrier service and see if your carrier service has any issue. And also, if you are expecting a direct SMS for the code, then ensure that the flight mode on your device is not enabled. So, this is how you can fix 6-digit verification code not receiving on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.